My people, a popular hair vendor is on Instagram calling out her husband for domestic violence and abuse. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. Another palaver, another marriage palaver. Marriage is Kpaii. To some people, marriage is beautiful. To some people, it's not a bed of roses. You need to see this video firsthand, where this popular hair vendor is calling out her own husband, covered in blood, that her husband wants to deal with her and doing all sorts of things. That they are even beating her up. See this video yourself.
In case anything happens to me, you people should know that Justice Okereke is a team from Opala town, in Ngopala local government area of Imo State, killed me. In case anything happens to me, know that Justice wants to kill me, to take over my house and my property. I came back from Vietnam. Justice has carried my documents and ran away from the house. He has been maltreating me for the past 8 years. I got married, him and his family, and I said I'm tired of the marriage. I want to divorce. I'm no longer interested. Justice wants to kill me. I got back from Vietnam where I went to do business. Since I'm married, I never rest. Since I'm married, I never rest. She brings me out before the
So according to this lady, she is a business hair vendor, online hair vendor, that she's been to Vietnam and all countries, if not for anything, you know. This woman said that the husband is allegedly beating her up because she's requesting for divorce and she wants the property documents. You can imagine, which means this lady is doing something good for herself. Now, these are things some women experience in marriage. You can imagine, you know, she's there making videos telling people to come to her aid. In Kaburo, that they say she's telling Nigerians, in case anything happens to me, Nigerians should know that he wants to buy her and take over the house and properties, that he's been maltreating her for the past 8 years since they got married, and she wants to go out of the marriage. You know, some people will still come and be criticizing this woman. You know, imagine, after this woman made this video, some people will still come and be criticizing her. And some people that are sane will understand that, and when some people, they quite funny when it comes to marriage. And when you start requesting for documents and some things, you can imagine laying hands on your women. Now, the whole thing is on the internet. Imagine settling issues like this on the internet. Why? If you cannot do, leave the girl. If you cannot do, leave the guy. Jejely. Like we know early January, early months of 2026, we start having marriage palaver. Every day we see palaver. I don't need to say much about this video. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section, because we don't want stories that touch her. Before this thing, Nigerians have even come to her aid. She's now in the hospital, be taken care of. That's what we know. So people, please, anything happen, please help your neighbor, help a sister. Don't be criticizing women that are being abused.